Our windows have a story to tell, shouldn't yours?
Hi, I'm Bill. This is my wife, Kathleen, and we're the founders of American Vision Windows. We started a company based on a bad experience that we had when we were in the selection process of putting in windows. An experience that we decided that we didn't want other people to go through. We talk about the American Vision Windows story, and Kathleen can tell you, how did it start for you?
Well, there was a couple times. There was when we felt like it was an earthquake in the house, but it was just the wind. And then also when Josh was a little baby and was sick and the breezes coming in through the windows, we just knew we needed new windows. So we began that journey, maybe how you are right now, but just calls not being returned and wrong windows came in, everything took longer, so it wasn't the best experience.
From that, we were able to think of ways of circumventing those things that happened to us. So we built a company around that story and came up with processes and best practices. And it's the story that we get constantly from our customers now. That's the Bill and Kathleen story. The lion's share of our business comes from repeat and referrals, and we're so honored by that. You know, one of the amazing things about American Vision is you're sitting there considering, well, how am I going to get personalized service? And I'm going to tell you that's the secret sauce of American Vision. Every management technique that we've put into this company has been put in such a way that you're going to feel like you're the only customer.
You call American Vision and a person answers, a real person answers. Because you know what? If you have a real issue, you need a real person. That's why we have an entire department dedicated just to customer service. It be an experience that someone can walk away from and go, yeah, I would do that again. You know, it was worth it.